Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to fix voice chat issues in Rainbow Six Siege that aren't working properly in 2025. Whether your mic is not picking up or you can't hear teammates, this step-by-step guide will help you solve it fast. Let's get into it. First, make sure your microphone is properly connected. If you're on a PC, right-click the sound icon on the taskbar, go to Sound Settings, and under Input, make sure the correct mic is selected. Do a quick mic test to ensure it's detecting your voice. Next, launch Rainbow Six Siege and head to Settings. Then Audio. Scroll down to the Voice Chat section and check this. Voice Chat Volume. Turn it up if it's low. A voice chat record mode. Switch to open mic or push to talk, depending on what works best for you. Microphone volume. Set it to a higher level if needed. Now, go to the control tabs and double check your push to talk key binding if you're using that setting. Sometimes, people forget what key is assigned or accidentally unbind it. If that didn't help, it could be permission issues. Open Windows, go to Settings, Privacy, then Microphone, and make sure apps are allowed to access your mic. Scroll down and ensure Rainbow Six Siege or your game launcher like Ubisoft, Connect, or Steam has a mic access. Also, check your firewall or antivirus. This can sometimes block mic permission or game communication. And temporarily disable your antivirus or add an exception for set in your both antivirus and firewall settings. Still not working? Head to Ubisoft Connect, go to Settings, then General, and turn off Overlay. Sometimes this case issue with the voice chat. Lastly, update your audio drivers. Go to Device Manager, then go to Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your mic and select Update Driver. You can also update your headset software if you're using a game headset like a Steelers or Razer. Once you've all done this, restart your game and test a voice chat again. Ask a friend to join you in a squad and try talking. If they hear you, you're good to go. Alright guys, that's it for this fix. If this helps you out, get your mic working again, make sure to drop a like, a comment below if you still need help, and subscribe for more quick game fixes. Catch you in the next one.